When I went to cook up my sausages this morning using my new cage in the rotisserie, it didn't work so well because it had a fixed thickness that it could handle, and I had to squeeze it real tight to get the sausage and flatten them all out by the time I was done cooking them. So I realized I needed a better way to close the cage, hold it closed. Thought several ideas, went out and got some stuff today, had a couple of thinking periods and finally came up with something, and I've just made a couple of pieces. I got two of these made out of skewers, and I got two of these which I just drilled holes in, which will allow them to slide onto these bent skewer pieces, and that I will use those one on each end of my cage to hold the thing together at the proper thickness for whatever I have in there. Pretty clever, I think. I wasn't going to do chicken tonight, but I'm so excited about my new thingy that I'm going to do it. Ha! Yeah, plus the fact that the damn chicken is so damn good. This new way I'm cooking it, man. I'm enjoying this. And one thing I learned is I got a flat side here. I went and did it on this side last time, which still leaves a bump in there. I can go on this side and it's totally flat. Duh. So I got flat surfaces on both sides. So there's my chicken breast, big thick hunk of breast there. And I take my cleats, my homemade cleats, and I'll stick that up through here. Boom, 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 boom. Right? I stick this one up through here. Boom, 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 boom. And you can see how this is working. And we take this baby here and put it on there. Right? And we take this one here and put it on there. Here. Right? Look at that. See, this is adjustable to any thickness I need. If I can see to get that through the hole. There it is. Better with for young people with eyes that still work. But see, that was the whole key to this, was putting those little holes in here. Because else this wouldn't slide down now, would it? It would be blocking it. Okay, so slide that down. Okay. And whoops! Okay, there we go, that didn't work. Ha! Ah! Drat! Dang nabbit. Ah! I don't want to have to wire this together every time. Maybe if I put more abrasion on my U's. Rough these up a little so they're not slippery. Okay, I'm going to go take a file and rough this surface and see if that helps. Okay, as you can see, I just filed some grooves in there. We'll see if that makes this a little less tendon. Okay. Makes it a little better. And not a whole lot better. Maybe I'll rough up the surface in here too. Okay, BRB. Okay, I'm back. So I filed grooves on this on both sides, and I also filed the inside surface of this, so we should have a little more bite now on these. As far as gripping goes, he says hopefully, because now I want some chicken. So there's that. Okay, there we go. Boom. Okay, good. There we go. Okay? Good and dandy. Except, now the chicken's a little off center. I want to center that a little bit more. There we go. Okay, but as you can see, that's fully adjustable now. So when I put my sausage links in the morning, they'll be okay. Okay, and also you can see this chicken's a little crooked, fatter on one side, so it compensates for that. And various other stuff. And into the toaster oven we go. Okay. Okay, and rotisserie, and 1 hour. Whoop. 1 hour. There we go. We'll watch it for a couple of turns, make sure it's doing it. As you see, it's got that bounce at each turn. Not anything to do with my rack, but because of the axle here is a little bit of a loose fit in there. So that's why it has that bounce every revolution. That could mess things up. I'll take a look at this as we go along and see if the chicken has fallen out. But so far so good. So we'll close the door and let the heat come on. See you in an hour. Okay, half an hour in, and the chicken is still between the grates. So, phew. My clamping system is working. Even with that jerking around in there. Gonna have chicken tonight! Okay, 1 hour. And the chicken is still in the rack. Oh man, it always ends up with the heavy side up. Okay, see if we can flip this nicely this time. Boom, 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 boom. There we go, look at that. Okay, now, I'm still dealing with 400-degree metal, but I don't got to try and unwrap a twist tie. I can just lift this thing off. Come on, baby. There we go. Whoop. Yeah, let's go this way. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, look at that. Okay, so my two clips easily undone. And oh, I forgot to do the greasy stuff. So it is stuck. Oh, bummer. I'm going to rip my skin all apart. Okay, well, we'll lift this up and get my cleats out of there. Okay, there's my two cleats. Okay, and bummer. Okay, let this be a reminder to you. Always spray with Pam or whatever you use. Because now my grill is stuck to my chicken. Just had too much on my mind going in. Yeah, it's going to rip all my skin off. Okay, so I'm going to let that cool down. And the other thing is I'm going to hold this video until tomorrow morning because I'm going to do the same thing with my sausage that I have in the morning, my sausage links, and see how this works with those. So there you go. Another fine rotisserie chicken, but I'm going to lose all the skin. Bummer. Remember to use your non-stick spray. Okay, I'm hungry and it's cooled enough. And what I'm going to do is use this drill bit, which just fits these openings, to try to get that chicken skin not ripped off of everything. Ooh, wow. Okay, the edges were the toughest part. Boom. Okay. Not bad, not bad. I think I think I'll get the save. Okay, there we go. Not bad. But as you can see, oh man, lost it on the back side. Shouldn't have done that. Okay, there we go. And we only lost a little bit here. Boy, we really lost it. That's sticking. That's sticking good. Okay. Good. Okay, so there's my chicken. Boom, 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 boom. And we shall have a nice piece of chicken. Oh man. Good stuff, good stuff. And we'll see you in the morning for the sausages. Good morning. It's the morning after and time for breakfast. And let's see how my sausage links do in my little rack. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. Okay. Okay. Okay, that's looking good. Into boom. Okay, ready to come out. Gonna use the hook. Use the hook. Boom. Okay, there we go. Hot clamp removal tool, otherwise known as a wrench. Oh, and I didn't Pam again. Dang, I gotta remember to do that. I'll put a picture of Pam up on my counter. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, not so critical in this case because the sausages are coming free, and look at them, there they go. Alright, so successful sausage cooking. We're happy with my new rack and securing system. Happy day to you.